Installing windows is just that. It's still plumb level square true. That hasn't changed. The tolerances really haven't changed. I'll date myself on this one. Back in the 80s when I went through carpentry class, the industry standard still was you shim 16th inch straight plane. So plumb level square, all that is still within 16th of an inch. There's a lot of technology in these windows. The windows that we look at Marvin, you're talking about hurricane rated windows out there, right? There's a lot of technology in those windows. When you're talking about getting a window that can withstand 172 mile-an-hour wind load, you need to install them like that. So you need plumb level square and true. ASTM 2112 states you shim with everything within 1/16 of an inch straight plane. That's all we call out. We follow that standard. So the industry standard is that, and so is Marvin's. And just note, there are some products out there, and this would be in our scenic door line, that would be a little bit more stringent than that. So you got to know your product that you're talking about. So you're going to install it. We call out when you install, you're going to put your perimeter beaded sealant on there. You're going to install your window with your nail flange out. You're going to apply 2-inch galvanized roofing nails every other hole. You're going to get plumb level square. How do you do that? You're going to break out your trusty level, and you're going to break out your hammers, levels, hammers, tape measures. You're going to get plumb level square.